Old school, nigga. Don't act this in the neighborhood, nigga. We gon' that boy official, man. Y'all, hey, look, man. No bullshit, y'all. Fuck with him, man. Yeah. North Star, man. Yeah. People don't want to fuck with no North Stars, man. They be like, all right, North Star, nigga. This man, AC compressor, man. Shit you had to do to that motherfucker.
Quick.
But looking at nephew, boy, I love you, boy, like a fat kid, little cake.
Yes, sir. YouTube. It's your boy 9 Trey. Edit again today with another little fix, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. I see I already got the motor bust down behind me, waiting on my boy Kevin to pull up on me. But today, man, well, started yesterday. I just didn't really vlog a lot. I'm finna give y'all, the proper vlogging details. Right here we got my car. Y'all see I cleaned out my garage a little bit, so now I got space to actually bring another vehicle in and work without having to work outside. But didn't have no AC, so right now we putting the AC compressor on. It's a pretty straightforward job. You see the old AC compressor. I already got the new AC compressor in place. I see I got my good light down there, that way I can see everything. But the only way you can get to it on this car, this is a Cadillac DTS of 2006. Gotta pop the wheel off, Brody. You can come up here, pop off your belt, you know what I'm saying? With the tensioner pulley. Once you do that, you got them 3 bolts in the front of the AC compressor. This one here is a booger because it's a nut on a threaded, it's a nut on a screw. And in my situation, once I backed the damn nut all the way back, the whole screw started coming back. So I had to pull it all the way out. This one here is pretty easy. It's connected to the alternator. But the way it got that C-notch in it, it's easy once you unbuckle this one, and this one, and they got one more bolt in the back. Not too hard to get to, you just gotta get under the car to get to it. You pop that off, you know what I'm saying? It's simple, man. Then you get at these little, this is actually the mount for the AC hose lines right here. So you got this one and you got this one. You got your little pigtail. But the only thing about everything in the back, you don't have really no space to get at it, know what I mean? So this bolt kind of easy to get at a little bit. This was the easiest bolt to get at because you can get right at it, like it's right there. Once you pop all them out, you're gonna have to do some wiggling and maneuvering because this bugger here is in the worst spot. It's real close to the alternator wire, so y'all gotta be careful. When y'all doing this job, make sure y'all boys take off the battery post because the AC hose is made out of aluminum and the alternator right above it. As far as this one go, as it's sitting on the car. So this line come up and the the alternator got the power connector in the back of it. And if you touch that booger, boy, spark, walk. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, look, I'm on this, man. I've been planning on doing projects like this more often. So if y'all boys want to goddamn pull up and y'all got a little quick, simple jobs that y'all want to go and get knocked out, I'm not going to charge y'all boys what a shop going to charge y'all boys because honestly, they tried to charge my aunt $525 on labor alone. So he had to still go buy the AC compressor and he still had to pay labor and they wanted $500 on labor. I told Unc, I said, nah, I ain't gonna let it go down like that, you know what I'm saying? Bring that thing this way, we're gonna knock it out. We're gonna get it done. Put this motor out the GTO, which is right here. In turn, I busted it all the way down. Y'all see I need new cam bearings and all that. And there's something going on in the cylinder walls, but I still got my cross hatches, if y'all can see that. But yeah, we're gonna fill this thing up. I already dropped oil in the compressor. I put new gaskets on the hoses already. And like I said, I got the AC compressor in there. So it's a tight fit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I got that one bolt in. I'm gonna push the other one up and I'm gonna be able to get at everything. But right now, I'm finna just go ahead and get at it, bro. There's nothing to do it but to do it, so I'm gonna get at it, man, and shit. Hopefully the uncle be blowing snow before we know it. My dearest apologies, ladies and gentlemen. But I done put that damn AC compressor on. I done put the belt on. I done plugged up everything. I got the bolts all in, all 3 of them. But it's really 4 bolts. It's easier for you guys to take off the AC lines if you go ahead and just remove the fan. Yesterday I didn't remove the fan, so I really did it the harder way. So it's still possible to do it without removing the fans. But just so the process was a lot less stressful going back in, I went ahead and removed the fans. Not 100%, I just got them out the way. That way I can get to the AC line right here. Get at it from this way. So now I got that on. I'm gonna put everything back on. I gotta put the wheel well back on because you have to take off the plastic piece for the wheel well because all this will be covered up. And I took out the you see that behind the wheel right there? That is that's the windshield wiper juice. So that bolted up right here. After I take that out, so I'm gonna put that back in and we're gonna fill this baby up with Freon. I'm thinking this is not the spot because this booger is so big. So I gotta figure out where it on this car is his inlet for the AC because I don't see it. Oh, here it go back here. So I just found that, y'all. So if y'all looking for that, that's where you put Freon at. I'm using this R34A. Get Unc rolling, man, blowing snow, man, soon. Y'all just stay tuned, man, for the video. And then we're gonna bolt the wheels up and we're gonna test everything out. So right now, I'm just finna put this back together up here because I had to take this apart just to get to the hoses. Everything tightened right. The belt back on, like I said. I can put the fuse box back on. Get that out the way. That's done. I don't need to do nothing else right there. Yeah, I'm happy in the mud, y'all.
Man, I'm talking about boys got 8 motherfucking seat now.
Yes, sir. Windows ain't going down.
Boys gonna stay up in the neck, man, when it's ride day. Yeah.
AC's blowing cold, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, when you walk over here, this whole little area cold over here.
Oh, that feel official, man. Acadis neighborhood, I'm still old school, nigga.
Yeah.
Acadis in the neighborhood, nigga. We gon', yeah, that boy official, man. Y'all, hey, look, man, no bullshit, y'all. Fuck with him, man.
Yeah.
North Star, man.
Yeah.
People don't wanna fuck with no North Stars, man. They be like, alright, North Star, nigga. This man, AC compressor, man. Shit you had to do to that motherfucker. But looking at nephew, boy, I love you, boy, like a fat kid, little cake.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she need to wipe you a hood clean. You can turn it off now. Oh, I'm gonna do this, the lights. Ah, man. So now we're gonna do the headlights on this booger, man. Suppose the nigga gotta drop the bumper, but I'm gonna do what I do best, man, and jump on YouTube and figure out how in the hell to get that light up out of there. I want to be able to get right to it and right through it. That's how a lot of stuff get done. I see I kind of got moved a little bit. But yeah, the main goal is, you know what I'm saying, unblowing snow. So it is what it is. It ain't what it ain't. Y'all tune in, y'all vlogging, y'all subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. Y'all.